Hi boys and girls, today in math we are going to practice adding two numbers together, but this time there's a number that you're not going to know and you're going to have to figure out. So let me show you in the packet where we're working from and then I'll get started in our lesson. So in the packet under Kindergarten Math Choice Board on page 56, you're going to be doing this for your homework. So you're going to be using the number 10 in your homework. I'm going to be using the number 7 in my lesson. So it says, how many dots are covered by the splat? How many dots are left uncovered? So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, boys and girls, to get started, you're going to need something to write on, something to write with, objects to count, and something to splat with. So for mine today, I'm only using the number 7 because you're going to be doing the number 10 in your homework. So I have a folded up paper towel, I have 7 pieces of cereal, and then I have my marker board and marker. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take our 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one more is 7, and we're going to just spread them out. Scoot this over. And then we're going to take our splat. We're going to just kind of pinch it, pick it up, and drop it. Okay, and then we have to write an equation. So we know an equation or a number sentence is what we're writing down to show our thinking. So for here, we're going to have a number plus a number, and it's going to equal 7 because that's how many pieces of cereal we have. So the first number is going to be, how many do you see? So we're going to count these cereals on the outside. How many do you see? I saw 4 too. I saw 2 and 2, and that makes 4. 4 plus a number equals 7. This is our number that's hiding. Friends, do you know how many pieces of cereal are under that napkin? Go ahead. You can count backwards from 7. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, which means there's 3 under the napkin. Or you can count on from 4. 4, 5, 6, 7. And that would mean there's 3 cereals under the napkin. 4 plus 3 equals 7. So now we're going to do it again. We're going to pick it up and drop it. Now, what do we see? How many cereals do you see? I know it didn't cover any of them. So there's 7 cereals that you can see. 2, 4, 6, and one more makes 7. Which means how many are hiding? 0 are hiding. 7 plus 0 equals 7. Let's do it again. Ready? Okay. We're going to get ready for our equation. First number, how many do you see? How many? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, there's 6 cereals. So 6 plus what number would give us 7? How many's under the napkin? Yeah, just 1. 6 plus 1 more gives us 7. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, how many do you see? Sometimes you can reposition it if it doesn't give a clear image. So first number, how many do you see? I saw the number 5, and it kind of reminded me what it looks like of the number 5 on a dice, where there's 2 on top, 2 on the bottom, and 1 in the middle. So we have 5. Now, how many are hiding? 5 plus what number equals 7? Yeah, we can count on 5, 6, 7. Let's see if there's 2 under here. Looky there, you found 2. Now we're going to do one more equation. So let's get our splat. We're going to pick it up and drop it. Now I still see 4, and when I look over here, I already have the number 4. So I'm actually going to do it again and see if I can get something different. Oh, perfect. How many do you see? That's an easy one. That's 3. So if you see 3, what number do we have to add to it to make 7? How many are hiding? Let's count on. We start at 3, and then we go 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see if there are 4 pieces of cereal hiding. Looky there, you did it. 1, 2, 3, 4 are hiding. Now, boys and girls, you're going to do the same thing, but you're going to use not the number 7. You're going to use the number 10. So you're going to need 10 objects to count with. You're going to need something to splat with. And then for your homework, I want you to show me 5 different things that you saw when you were playing this game. So just like we wrote down our 5 equations, I want you to write down 5 equations. But yours are going to go a number plus a number equals 10. Okay? So you're going to need 5 of them. And they're all going to equal 10. So you're going to send me a picture of your equations and a picture of you playing your game. We call it splat because you go whoop, bleh, splat. Happy learning, friends. Can't wait to see all the fun that you're having.